Are you ready to try a new pattern now? All right, I'm so excited. Let's take a listen. Guys, what did you think? Did you like that pattern?
Yeah.
Did you notice something a little different about it? Well, it uses some new fingers, right? Before we used our number 1, 2, and 3 fingers for the other patterns, and now we're gonna bring in our fingers number 4 and number 5. Those are our ring and pinky fingers. Let's take a closer look at the reading music and the musical notes. So how many measures are there? You remember what a measure is? Well, a measure is the space in between those lines that go up and down. And those lines are called bar lines, so a measure can also be called a bar.
Cool.
How many bars are there? 2 bars. This is a 2-bar pattern. Let's look at the first bar. There are 4 little notes, right? What kind of notes are those? Well, they've got a full belly and a tail, and that must mean they are quarter notes. And our quarter notes play 1 count.
Okay.
So beats 1, 2, and 3, you should know pretty well. Those are the ones we've used a bunch of times. Beat 1 is on the C. That's the note with the line going through it. That's below the staff. Then we move over to the D for beat 2 and the E for beat 3. But beat 4 is the new one, right? It's squish in between those first 2 lines in the staff. And that must mean we play the F because we played C, D, E, and next comes F. All right, let's move to the second bar. What do you see over there? It's not a quarter note, right? This note has an empty belly and no tail. What kind of note has an empty belly and no tail? It's a whole note. And the whole note is a longer note than the quarter notes. It plays 4 counts. So you're gonna hold that down for 4 counts. And what are you gonna hold down? Well, that note gobbles up the second line. And the one that gobbles the second line is a G, and you'll use your number 5 finger to play the G. All right, that's the pinky. So you hold down that G for 4 counts, and then do you see the dots? Those dots are our repeat signs, and that means we go all the way back to the beginning, and we play it again. Are you ready to try that? We're gonna play this whole pattern 8 times, and there will be 4 little clicks to start us out. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's practice. Here we go.
You can do it! Job.
Friends, could you do it? Could you do that pattern?
I did it.
All right, great job. It might have been easy. You might need to practice it a little bit more, but that's fine. Music is supposed to be fun, and I hope you're having tons of fun. Let's move over to the jam along and do some practice with this pattern. Are you ready? Hey guys, let's do some more practice with our 2-measure pattern. This is our new one, right? We've got 4 quarter notes in the first measure, a whole note in the second measure, and we're using the F and the G now with our number 4 and 5 fingers. You ready to do some practice? We're gonna get plenty of practice with the jam along, and we're gonna get to play along with real instruments. You're in a band now. Are you ready to play with your band? All right, let's get started. Listen for the 4 clicks to start, and then jam along. Here we go.
You can do it!